Find the term containing x to the 14th in the expansion of 2x plus 7y raised to the 16th. So because they are asking us to find the term containing x to the 14th, and x is our first value, that means that we want to use the first formula. My a is going to be 2x. My b is 7y. N is 16. And r is 14. Now I want to plug those values into the formula, which will look like this. And then I want to simplify, and this will be our final answer. And again, the advantage to using these formulas is that we don't need to use the entire binomial theorem to get to the term that we want.